Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. So today I am unboxing this new practice hand that I got on Amazon. It's from the brand Know You, and it was pretty affordable. It was about $35, and it came in 2 days, which I was great. Amazon sometimes can take a little bit longer, but it did arrive on time. And I did need this practice hand because I was always doing my nails on my hands, and I was damaging my nails because I get bored with my nails pretty quick. So I take them off the wrong way, which you're not supposed to rip them off, but I have a bad habit of doing that. So now my hubby let me go ahead and get this practice hand. I was so excited, and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it and show you everything that comes in it. As you can see, there comes with it a stand and some nails that you can put on the hand, and the hand itself, it comes in this little bag, and it's really realistic. My husband kind of laughed whenever I showed it to him. He was kind of scared when he first saw it, but it's pretty realistic. As you can see, the detail on it is really nice. The color, there were several colors to choose from, so you can go ahead and choose which color you would prefer, but I just went ahead and chose this color. I thought it was pretty close to my skin tone, and I can see that the fingers bend really nice, and I can't wait to use it for all of my future sets. Today I'm gonna go ahead and display some of my pre-made nails that I have made for my website. I am going to go ahead and have a sale soon, so if you are interested, stay tuned, and don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell so you are notified when that sale goes live. I'm going to have some pre-made sets. They're going to be on sale between $10 and $15, so if you want to go ahead and get you some nails and you want to just go ahead and try them out, feel free to go ahead and visit my website, and you'll be able to see all the different types of nails that I have. I am going to go ahead and update my website soon, so make sure you stay tuned for the next video that I put, and I will let you know when the website is ready. I did also order this nude base color from Beetles. It's a builder and color gel, it says, and it's in the number F021. It's a rubber base, and it is the first time I am using rubber bases, so I was pretty excited to get it. Here's a sneak peek of some of the nails that I have made that will be on the website, so go ahead and just relax and enjoy watching the rest of the video.